everybody, this is Vlad from Homemade Mechanic, and today let's change this headlight. First up, we need to open the hood. Okay, so this process works for your Skoda Octavia Mark 1, but it's also possible for your Golf Mark 4 or your VW Bora. Now let's fix the hood in place. And let's look at the headlight. This is the plastic cover that we need to remove. First up, we need to get this wire protection out of the way. Okay, and now the plastic cover. And here it is, our headlight. Here we also have another wire protection. And as you can see, your headlight is already coming out. Now you can simply remove it and put a new one in and assembly it back together. Now let's put the cover back. Be careful on these two places. And this is how it should look like. Those two there. And now let's put back the wire protection to fix it in place. Thank you very much for watching. If this video helped, check out my channel and also smash that like and subscribe button for more videos like this.